The ROADOM 10.1-inch touchscreen monitor boasts a full HD resolution that delivers vibrant and crystal-clear visuals, making it a standout choice for users looking for a high-quality display. Featuring a responsive and smooth touch interface, this monitor supports multi-touch gestures and works seamlessly across various operating systems without the need for additional drivers. Its wide compatibility extends to multiple devices, including all versions of Raspberry Pi, game consoles, and computers, ensuring versatility for different user needs. Equipped with dual built-in speakers, the monitor offers impressive audio output, enhancing the overall multimedia experience for video watching and gaming. The monitor's larger 10.1-inch size is particularly beneficial for users who prefer a bigger screen for activities such as gaming or video streaming. With comprehensive accessories included, the monitor is easy to assemble and features excellent cable management for a neat and organized setup.